Char in essence, weirdly represents infinity.
And just 22 years of age, Char seems to have found just the right balance in the extremity and wackiness of his music, along with its pure accessibility. From his first EP, Teri Mayat Ke Gaane, to breakout singles like Chhaag, Tehra, and Love Sex Dhoka, Char has made his mark. While some call his style industrial hip hop, he describes himself as genre agnostic and simply experimental. Let's dive in to the many sides of Char Kar Taneja, better known as Char is based out of New Delhi. The rapper and producer claims to have very little technical knowledge of music. In fact, in an interview with Rolling Stone India, he wished he knew even lesser.
The people that I looked up to in my music school, they started dropping out before me because they did not see any value, and I started seeing no value. But wherever in your life you go to an institution, you get institutionalized.
He dropped out of Mumbai's True School of Music and preferred to simply make music instead of spending years learning it. With less than 20 songs in his discography in a short span of about 4 years, Char has already become one of the most recognizable and influential names in Desi hip-hop. Not only is he pushing the boundaries of the genre with some of the wildest and most experimental sounds hip-hop has seen, he also directs, produces, and edits almost all of the visual art that goes into his work. His hands-on and self-sufficient approach is definitely something that makes him and his discography very intriguing. He approaches his art with a sense of maximalism and chaos. Still, it always carries the familiar feel of easily consumable music. He has a distinct sound, which is very hard to define at times, but then again, that's the best part. It's very hard to limit the sound of Char into a single genre. The closest one can come to defining it is industrial hip-hop, which is broadly speaking an experimental and abrasive approach to hip-hop, but even that label cannot contain the different sounds in his discography. He claims to exploit the genre of hip-hop simply for the liberation that it brings to his sound, saying he's a writer before anything else. Some of his signature free-form ideas include, but are not limited to, experimental uses of samples, unconventional song structures, and the use of heavy distortion. The creative use of sounds is reminiscent of artists such as JPEG Mafia and Death Grips, or even Kanye West's Yeezus. Interestingly, his sonic liberation doesn't just come from the culture of hip-hop. He also cites old Hindi songs as one of his major inspirations. The idea of longer songs, bridges, and even minute-long intros seem like such a far-fetched idea to the music scene today, but Char picks up these pieces of artistry left behind by others and uses them in his own way. Just like music, he has no formal training in filmmaking, yet he isn't afraid to don the cap of director and producer for his music videos. His manic sound is equally complemented by the wacky music videos they're packaged with, and the videos help his music feel more complete. It's no wonder, since he says that more often than not, the vision for his music videos pop into his head even before he starts writing the lyrics. While his visuals and sonic abilities are undoubtedly inspired by classic Bollywood Hindi cinema, he has also carefully built his digital and offline persona to captivate his audiences and form his own little cult of a fandom. His carefully crafted image feels effortless, but is also a showcase of his creative chaos. The quirky, chaotic energy he brings to social media fits him perfectly. It might seem effortless, but his content is just as sharp and carefully crafted as his music. Visually, his YouTube and Instagram offer two distinct sides: polished, story-driven music videos on one hand, and raw, unfiltered glimpses of his real self on the other. This contrast makes him relatable to his core audience while still keeping him a step above. In today's hyper-curated digital world, Gen Z isn't just looking for perfection. They're seeking something real to hold on to. Char taps into that instinct with precision. His ability to effortlessly switch between polished, high-concept music videos and raw, chaotic glimpses into his real life make him feel both aspirational and relatable. He offers more than just good music. He builds a world that feels personal, messy, and real, giving his audience something they can genuinely attach themselves to. In a digital landscape overflowing with polished perfection, Char mix of thought-out creativity and unfiltered self-expression stands out exactly the way Gen Z wants it to. With a distinguished sound, a fresh approach to his art, and a new EP on the horizon, artists like Chardiwari are breaking barriers and reshaping the sound of India. It's safe to say that his is some of the most anticipated releases of the year.